Hello, welcome back. If you've never been by this channel before, I'm Sneiko, also known as Sneiko the Diva, given that name by family and myself. But either way, I'm gonna come a little closer so y'all get into the space. Hunty, today I did the B.O.M.B challenge, the black owned beauty brand challenge. Now this is part 1 of the challenge. I'm going to have a part 2 coming up, but I don't want to hold you all no further. Just get into the look, the slayage, the glowage. Let's get into the video. Let's get right into it. My first base, I'm going to go in with my primer. This is by plainjanebeauty, the founder of plainjanebeauty. You can find her beauty vlog on Instagram and plainjanebeauty.com. Her name is Lake Louise. First name Lake, last name Louise, and totally vegan, cruelty-free brand. This primer is a smoothing primer, good for combination oily. Well, it's really said it's good for all skin types. And it has hyaluronic acid, my most favorite thing, which causes a glow. And you can see that glow already. But it is drying down to almost like a matte finish. That's bomb when you got hyaluronic acid and you're not over greasy and you're kind of matte. So next we're going to go in with the setting spray. We're going to come back to some of Lake Louise's products, but colordujour Studios, she is located in Houston, Texas, and this smells so divine, y'all. If y'all see me looking down, I have my notes here on my phone, and Elena Salisbury is the owner and creator of colordujour Studios in Houston, Texas. Former volleyball coach and 7th grade science teacher, decided to follow her passion in makeup and went for it. And when I tell y'all I want to take one of her classes, she has this signature look that she does, and I'm like, that's Elena's work. I zoomed in a little closer for our next product, which is going to be all about the brows. And this is a smudge proof brow pomade from bkcosmetics, the owner and founder, Isha Joyner Folks. She's my hometown homegirl from Charleston, South Carolina, that followed her passion of doing makeup and also having her own cosmetics product. If you follow me on Snap and Instagram, you see me rocking this one for a while, and you also saw me did a short video and I did a smudge proof test, because that's one of the claims of this brow pomade, and it does dry down matte. That's a good thing. And nothing I have up here is sponsored. Let me start one thing about working in a salon and waxing eyebrows and all that. I always tell people the eyes are the windows to the soul. If those brows are arched and waxed right, you don't even need no lashes. Lake Louise and plainjanebeauty products. The good thing about her line is she offers samples. Now I'm using the concealer in Teak. That's the color to go underneath my brows and clean it up. And I have one in Sunflower, which is really yellow. I'm going to place that along the lid and use the concealer as a lid primer. African American women are growing as entrepreneurs. In fact, we're #1 in entrepreneurship for like the last 10 years. So these women being a part of the beauty community, you know, it makes me proud to be a part of the beauty community. So being that my brows are done, we're going to go into the Mineral Veil by danessamyricks, the Shimmer Veil. Illuminate. I want to do my eyes first, y'all. We're using the Masquerade palette by juviasplace. This brand is no stranger to social media, especially Instagram. But the owner, Chichi Iburu, I believe I said that right. You know, her concept behind juviasplace is remarkable. Everything is after her African culture. You know, that's why you have names like the Zulu palette, the Masquerade palette, and it resembles colors. The Masquerade palette, and one of them I was reading, she wants to resemble the golds and the bronzes that you see in Egypt. So a lot of thought process goes behind her work. And I'm not mad at that. Even my brushes are by juviasplace, y'all. I should name this challenge Black Owned and Educated, because these some smart women. So going in with that Zobo color from Juvia's, I have a small taper blending brush, and I'm just going to define a crease versus doing a full cut. On the lids, I met Ebony White in a group called Black Girls Can Craft, and she makes handmade vegan cosmetics. She has a whole line including concealers and everything as well, but I'm going to define my crease and we're going to stick this pigment on the eyes, and y'all going to see just how beautiful. And this is called her Mermaid pigment. It's one of her best selling pigments. When you turn it changes color, like it's looking a little greeny, shiny, but as I turn around it gets a little more purplish. Auntie Danessa's Vision Cover Cream I've already started, and I did a full review on this foundation. This is my actual shade, and a little goes a long way because she is 100% full. And I'll link the detailed review I have on this as well. You really don't have to set this, but on me I had to. With that being said, Iman, again, black owned, can be found at Target, can be found online. This is her blotting powder that I use as a press powder, and when I was moving it must be got crumbled, but y'all know me, the budgetnista, I pressed that bad boy back together. So I'm going to go in with a all over powder brush and then press Auntie in with that, and that mattifies it some. But keep in mind, I'm giving y'all black excellence on the screen. These businesses are ran by women that look like me and you. You wake up flawless. Alright, back to Plain Jane Beauty, y'all. Like I said, she does sell samples. This is a highlighter called Coppers and Robbers. I have a blush called Copper Rose, and I have another blush that I thought was really pretty called Cafe Noir. Now keep in mind I got these products in February, so some of them are resembling fall, but I'm going to mix these up together and let's just pop them on. I mean, like, we flawless, right? So I took Cafe Noir and Copper Rose and mixed them together, and yes, like we say in Charleston, I had to mix them together to see what you're going for. Now this is also Plain Jane's highlight and Coppers and Robbers. I normally don't go for more coppers. Like I said, in the summertime I like more brights and sometimes even iridescence, but but I got another little trick for that. One of the YouTube groups I'm in, Gina Hepburn is her name, also known as the Queen of Lipstick on YouTube. She has her own cosmetic line as well. Has this thing right here called the Glow Mist. So I'm going to spray my face. Her highlighter looks like a Fenty Trophy Wife dupe. So let this dry down and we're going to come back and top it off with that. And then the Grand Dame, I saved that. Okay, Queen's Life, it's your turn to shine now. I haven't used this yet. Well, I got it on this side, but y'all can't see it. But 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah. Okay, Miss Gina. Come through, baby. Y'all know I am a severe glower. Mild, moderate, or severe. I always say that I'm severe and I'm getting my life. Black on, and let me go ahead and put on my mascara by imancosmtics as well. And this came right from Target, y'all. Iman is in Target. So is another brand, Color this mascara on and then put on my full make lashes by my hometown homegirl, Glamish Cosmetics, Crystal Noble. And what I like about this set of lashes is it's wispy, and being a hooded eyes person, I always say you don't want to go through all that eyeshadow work, especially with cut creases and all that, only to cover it up, and it's giving me that whiskey jagged effect where you can still see my shadow. I went back with Zola from Juvia's and the Tear Duck on top of a dab of that Queen's Life Trophy Wife dupe and Zobel underneath, And I lined my lips just now with the imancosmtics brown liner. All that to say, we gonna top the lips off with mother of all mothers of the beauty community, of the black owned beauty brands, not other than Miss Pat McGrath. This is Antidote. Now, she is a luxury brand. Is she worth it? Yeah. The quality in her products comes second to lines. The popular colors, y'all, sell out so much. One swipe and we pigmented. I don't even want to put on any more because I'm not going to top this look off with any gloss, you all. But this is my... what's thundering? This is my B.O.M.B challenge. I hope you all enjoy. I hope you all hit the Instagram to just buy, support, just click like, just do something to keep our ladies popping. And y'all know the deal. Y'all know the drill. See y'all next video. Oh, I had to set one more time with this. It smells so good, y'all. Okay, for real. See y'all next video.